Hey there, welcome back to the shop. So do not buy this tool, and I'm going to tell you why. This tool takes away all the fun of smashed hands, aggravated nail pulling, all the frustration that you could possibly have pulling nails. This thing takes away. So do not buy this tool. As you can see here, it works flawlessly. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to take a chance on this thing. But I'm telling you, if you really enjoy busted knuckles and frustration, this is not the tool for you. Look how effortlessly it drives those nails back. For those people out there doing pallets and recovering wood to make projects, save yourself the frustration of not having aggravation and don't buy this tool. I mean, look how easy it is once you clamp the board to the bench. It's almost a one-handed job. What fun is that? There's absolutely no fun in that. Collecting the nails without them flying all over the place. No broken heads breaking off of the nails when you're trying to pull them out. No need for vice grips. Come on, really. You know that's not what you're looking forward to. You want busted knuckles, aggravation, frustration, and 6 hours to clean the nails out of the boards. Now this is real-time speed here. I mean, look at this. It's almost done before you get started. Where's the fun in that? I mean, for 50 bucks, who would waste $50 on this thing that drives nails back in less than a second? And you don't have to whack them nails with a hammer 75 times, straighten them back out, and hit them some more. I mean, that's the fun of pallet recovery and board recovery and nail removal, right? I mean, am I right? Again, I would not recommend this tool, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to take all the fun out of pulling nails. Obviously, I'm kidding. This is probably one of the handiest tools I've ever bought. Probably the best $50 I've spent in a long time. I got it off the Jungle Store. Again, there'll be a link in the description. Coincidentally, I'm not sponsored by these people. They did not send me this gun. I paid for it with my own money. Obviously, you don't have to use a clamp to hold the boards down to pull the nails. It just makes it a lot easier. Once you hold or secure the board, you can really put some pressure on that pry bar. And that right there is 3 nails at once. This is ridiculous. What fun is that? Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and share the video, please. It helps the channel grow. As always, I'll catch you on the next one.